Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox a laptop. I'm so excited that I just bought a new laptop. Actually, my husband bought it for me, and it's a Dell laptop. It's a gaming laptop. So I will show you how the box came. The box is pretty nice. Here it is written Intel inside. However, you can see that the seal here is broken. The tag, the perulator did it. The perulator tag is broken here. So I'm not happy with this. So I'm not sure what inside is this, if the laptop is okay or not. But here is another seal. You can see here is another seal from Dell. It's intact. However, a little bit pinch is here. I don't know, you can see a little bit pinch is here. So I already informed perulator about this. So let's see and hope for the best. Like, hopefully there will be nothing wrong with my laptop. So let's see inside. It's a gaming laptop, and for the first time in my life I bought gaming laptop. It's a Alienware laptop. Yeah, it's written "Wear Game." It's a bit heavy. Let's move the box. I think the seal is okay. The packing is okay. It's written Alienware here. Okay, I'm going to open the plastic wrap here. It's so nice. So nice looking. So let me tell you the configuration of this laptop. It's Alienware x17 R2 gaming laptop. It is this year's laptop. Okay, should open it here. This is my first gaming laptop and I think it's so nice. Hope you can see. So it's a 12th generation Core i7 and they are giving a Windows 10 operating system with it. Sorry, it's Windows 11 Home Edition, and the graphics card is NVIDIA 3060 6GB, and the display is 17.3 inch 165 Hz, and the RAM is 32 GB DDR5 4800 MHz RAM, and the hard disk is 1 TB M.2 PCIe SSD. So I'm so excited with my new laptop. Let's see. I think this is the power button. I think I have to give charge first. But yeah, the outlook is very nice. I hope that the performance would be nice too. The color is so nice. So I have to charge it. I think it doesn't have any charge. This is the adapter, charging cable. And this is the manual, I think. Nice sticker. So warranty. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, and let me charge this laptop, this brand new laptop. This is the first gaming laptop in my life, and let me charge this, and hopefully I can show you some lighting things after giving the charge. Okay, I charged it for half an hour, so let's see. Yeah, it's on now. So I don't know if you can see the colorful keyboard here, and it's opening now. Yeah, so I have to set up all the things in the laptop. So this is a 3200 laptop, 3200 Canadian dollar laptop, and I'm so excited to use it. Okay, let me show you the lighting. It's beautiful lighting and multicolor lighting. Yeah, I hope you can see how colorful it is. So nice. And also, like behind there is also a nice light. Blue light. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you all and have a good day.